This portion is brought to you by Mercury Drug. Nakasisiguro, gamot ay laging bago.
Good morning sa mga masugid na televiewers ng Generation RX, ang nag-iisang health and travel show ng Pilipinas. Bang! Napaganda ng topic natin ngayong umaga.
Yes, tama-tama yan, Cecil. And good morning sa inyo. Good morning po sa inyo. Dahil kasi I agree with you. Dahil ang topic po natin ay very relevant at napakahalaga. Ito po ay tungkol sa leptospirosis. At tamang-tama po, dahil tag-ulan na po ngayon, ito ay panahon ng leptospirosis. If I remember correctly, noong year 2009 po, nagkaroon ng outbreak ng leptospirosis dahil sa pagdaan ng Typhoon Ondoy.
Correct ka dyan, Bong. Kasi ayon nga sa Pag-asa, there will be more typhoons coming. At pag may typhoon, ibig sabihin, baha na naman. Alam nyo ba, ang leptospirosis ay nakukuha if you get in contact with contaminated water na may ihi ng hayop.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Cecil. At lalong-lalo na po kapag kayo'y merong open wounds o sugat, lalong tumataas ang chances na kayo'y magkakaroon ng leptospirosis.
Having said all this promises to be a very informative and interesting episode. And as they say, let's keep the ball rolling.
This is Generation RX, your health and travel show that keeps you informed. Now signing on.
Ayon sa Pag-asa, may 9 hanggang 10 bagyo pa tayong dapat paghandaan ngayong taon. At alam naman natin, nakakambal ng mga bagyong ito ang mga sakit na pwede nating makuha. Isa na rito ang leptospirosis. Ano nga ba ang alam natin ukol sa leptospirosis?
Ang leptospirosis ay isang klaseng impeksyon na nakukuha sa ihi ng daga kung saan na-contaminate yung lupa at tubig at doon natin nakukuha ang leptospirosis.
Ang mga dairy farmers, fish workers, military personnel ay lapitin ng sakit na leptospirosis.
Ang bakterya na Leptospira ay nakakapasok sa loob ng ating katawan, lalo na kung meron kayong sugat, pwedeng pumasok yung Leptospira na bakterya at yun ang pinagmumulan ng mga simptomas ng sakit.
Sa Iloilo, meron ng naitalang 60 cases of leptospirosis sa mga bayan ng Cabatuan at Dumangas mula January hanggang August ngayong taon lang. Kaya naman, nagdeklara na ng outbreak ang provincial government ng Iloilo.
Marami ang sintomas ng leptospirosis. Karaniwan, ang nakikita natin ay lagnat na may kasamang chills o nanginginig or matinding sakit ng ulo. Pwede ring sumakit ang tiyan at sumasakit ang mga kasukasuan, lalo na yung tinatawag ng calf muscle, yung sa legs. Sa kasamang palad, wala pa ring bakuna na available para sa leptospirosis. Ang karaniwang pinapayo natin, like for travelers who might have an increased risk for infection kasi they might be exposed to recreational water activities or exposure to contaminated waters and soil, they should be advised to consider preventive measures such as wearing protective clothing, especially footwear or boots, no? Magsusuot sila ng botas para hindi mapapasukan ng contaminated na tubig. And they can also cover whatever cuts or wounds that they have with occlusive dressings.
Ang leptospirosis ay yung mga sakit na nakakuha sa mga baha, yung sa mga ihi ng daga. Para makaiwas, pinipilit kong iwasan yung pagluluson sa baha. Kung maaari, gumamit tayo ng bota. Pag may baha, iwasan natin dumaan sa mga baha para makaiwas tayo sa sakit na nakukuha doon.
The easiest way to a woman's heart is through her stomach. Hello everyone, my name is Chef Mark Uy and welcome to Healthy Cooking. Wow, makakasama na natin uli si Chef Hiro. Hiro, come join me here. Morning, Chef. Morning.
I'm glad na na-invite niyo ulit ako dito sa Healthy Cooking.
Alright, thank you. Ngayon, ang menu natin for today, jambalaya with, of course, Pampanga's best, Pilay Tocino. Let's start cooking.
Chef, go.
Alright, let's start off with our jambalaya. So we start off with a little bit of oil in the hot pan. Okay, oil. Probably 2 to 3 tablespoons. So lalagyan na natin ang Pampanga's best chorizo Macao. Okay, in the pan. There you go. We're just going to saute that nice and brown. We're just going to brown the chorizo as much as possible para lumabas yung juices niya. So, kindly saute. At this point in time, lalagyan natin ng konting little bit salt and pepper. Kaya ngayon pa lang may lasa na siya. Season as you go, as always, kasi para you don't tend to over-season pagka nasa huli na ng cooking process. After makita natin na nag-brown na ang ating chorizo, add our tocino, Pampangas Be Light Tocino, sugar-free. There you go, nice. And then saute lang. So we want this nice, red, a lot of color. Alright, now we add in our tomatoes. Okay. Saute lang natin siya, ha? And after which, we add our bell peppers. There we go. Para mas maganda ang kulay. Very green. Pag nag-fried rice kasi tayo or we're cooking anything with rice, as much as possible, I tend not to add garlic at first kasi nangyayari sa kanya, sunog siya. So what I do is I add garlic at the end. Okay, a bit of garlic. Season always. Salt and pepper. So what I'll do, I have a hot pan over here, and I have a little bit of oil here. I have a hot pan, I have some eggs over here. Mamaya ihalo din natin yan sa ating jambalaya. Okay? Jambalaya a la Pampangas Best. See how fast our eggs cook? Add it in. And then now, that is the time that we add our rice. Now I need all your might to start stir frying or mixing. Good job. There you go. There you go. Okay. So after natin stay ni Chef Hiro, ang ating our version of jambalaya. Okay. Put it on the plate when we finish this piece. Now I'll get some fresh spring onions, right? Now I'll start chopping them. Then, spring onions. Beautiful. So there you go, our mouth-watering jambalaya with Pampangas Best Be Light Tocino and chorizo. So thank you, Chef. Again, Hiro, for gracing this event.
So, Chef, nag-enjoy ako sa show na to.
Thank you. I hope everybody enjoyed the show. I hope you try all my recipes at home. You can check all my special creations at chefmarkley.com. I'd like to thank our sponsors, of course, Pampangas Best. Always the best, Pampangas Best. Thank you for tuning in. Until next week, this has been Chef Mark Lee bringing the new generation of healthy cooking. Thank you.
This portion was brought to you by Be Light Sugar-Free Tocino Pampangas Best.
Memory loss, signs of aging, weak immune system. Sa bilis ng panahon, hindi mo namamalayang naaabuso na ang iyong katawan. Buti na lang may Circulant 4-in-1 with 4 herbs na tumutulong para sa overall good blood circulation. Ginkgo biloba that aids in enhancing memory and concentration. Lemon balm that helps normalize sleeping patterns. Garlic oil that helps strengthen the immune system. And hawthorn berry that helps promote youthful glow. Circulant helps you look and feel young. Circulant.
Effective talaga. Kita mo naman. Mura lang. 250. Napaka-affordable.
I use KB as an antioxidant. It helps me a lot, especially in my line of work.
I use KB because it helps me become stress-free. I love KB.
KB. White that works.